Okay, here I've just wrapped up my longboard in just a little bit of plastic. It's the same sort of stuff that you stick over your stairs when you're decorating. And here I've then just covered it with just loads of old bits of wood. I think there are a set of drawers that I just sort of were about to throw away, and a few extra bits of just rubber that we literally just stuck on with double-sided tape, ready for me to cover in clay. Now this is just normal air dry clay. No more exciting than that really, and it's just quite a long drawn out process, so I'll leave you a little bit of background music and catch you in a bit. Okay, so now it's dried. There's a few cracks formed, so I'm just putting a tiny little bit of normal household filler straight over the top. Going to give it a little sand down, and then a couple of coats of just normal white emulsion, just to seal the clay, ready for the next stage. Once the paint was all dry, now I've just got to remove the mould from the plastic sheet and see how we get on. And there we have it, one mould released from the skateboard. Now what I've got to do is just clean up the deck, ready for me to do the next stage. Now somewhere I read, I don't know where it was, that the fiberglass resin doesn't like sticking to normal sellotape. So a bit of trial and error on this one. I'm not quite sure how it was going to work out. So I literally just covered all of the bits that I needed to in sellotape, shoved the mould back on, and then covered that in sellotape, and crossed my fingers and hoped that it didn't stick. Okay, so this is it, all ready for the next stage and fiberglassing in the next video.